how to turn on aim assist in Fortnite. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to enable aim assist or auto aim in Fortnite. And if this video helps you, please consider giving it a like and also subscribe to my channel because that really helps me out. So to enable aim assist in Fortnite, the first thing we need to do is select our avatar in the top right. And you can do that on your controller by selecting the menu button. Once the menu opens, scroll to the left and just go down and select the gear for the menu and then select settings. Once the settings open, scroll right until you get to the controller right here. That's R1 on a PlayStation controller or the right bumper on an Xbox controller. Once on the controller, scroll down until you get to sensitivity, and then we want to go over and enable advanced options under sensitivity. Once you do that, confirm yes, you do want to enable the advanced options. Now all we need to do is scroll down until we get to advanced sensitivity, and you just want to make sure that precision aim assist strength is 100% and tracking aim assist strength is 100%. Once you have turned those all the way up to 100%, select the back button and then just make sure that you save the setting changes before you leave the settings by selecting save. Now you've enabled auto aim in Fortnite. If this video helps you, give it a thumbs up and please consider subscribing to my channel.